Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dadan Firmansyah with NPM 234111076. I am a student of the University of Technocrat Indonesia from the Faculty of Economy and Business. On this occasion, I will share the learning material I have learned in the digital business management. This is time I will sharing about supply and demand in digital business, and for more detail, see my video until the end. Enjoy! Okay everyone, let's start the material. What is supply chain in digital business? Definition of supply chain in digital business is: supply chain is a series of activities that involve planning, raw material procurement, production, distribution, up to the product reaching the end customer. In the context of digital business management, the supply chain undergoes transformation through digital technologies such as the Internet of Things or IoT, big data and analytics, cloud computing, artificial intelligence or AI, and lastly, automation and robotics blockchains. And the next key component of the digital supply chains. The first, supplier. Responsible for providing raw material or components. Digitalization assists in management tasks such as real-time stock monitoring, automatic delivery, and measurable raw material quality. The second, production. In the production, digitalization plays a role in improving efficiency through smart manufacturing, predictive maintenance, automation, or robotics to increase production speed. The third, warehousing. The technologies used in warehousing include Warehouse Management System or WMS, RFID and barcode scanning, autonomous mobile robots. 4. Distribution and logistics. In distribution and logistics, digitalization plays a role in, among other things, real-time tracking, router optimization with AI, faster last mile delivery, and the last, customer. Customers are at the center of the supply chain, with customer behavior data that can be used to predict demand. Next, demand in digital business. Demand in digital business is the level of customer need or desire for a product or service measured through digital activities such as online searches, clicks, product browsing, interaction on social media, and purchase history on digital platforms. In digital business, demand is not only seen from transaction, but also from user behavior data recorded in real time. This data is then analyzed to understand customer preferences, predict market trends, and determine more accurate and rapid marketing, production, and distribution strategies. Thus, demand in digital business becomes more dynamic and data-driven, enabling companies to respond to market trends more accurately. In digital business, demand is influenced by customer data, market trend analysis, digital activities such as click, purchase history, and social media. And the next, the relationship between supply chain and demand in the digital era. The relationship between supply and demand in digital business is very close because both influence each other and determine a company's operational strategy. In digital business, customer demand data can be collected in the real time through online activities, allowing companies to understand what the market needs more quickly and accurately. This information is the used to manage the supply chains from production and inventory to distribution to match actual demand. If demand increases, companies can immediately increase supply. Conversely, if demand decreases, companies can adjust inventory to prevent excess stock. With digital integration, supply and demand become more responsive, efficient, and able to directly follow changes in customer behavior. And the next, technology supporting digital supply chain and demand. Various technologies support supply and demand processes in digital businesses, enabling companies to work faster, more accurately, and more efficiently. Technologies such as big data and artificial intelligence enable real-time analysis of customer behavior to predict demand and optimize production. The Internet of Things, or IoT, helps monitor inventory, goods movement, and logistic condition in real time. Cloud computing facilitates data integration across company departments, enabling faster decision making. Meanwhile, blockchain ensures the transparency and security of transactions in the supply chains. With these technologies, the relationship between supply and demand can be managed in a more measurable, responsive manner that is tailored to the rapidly changing digital market. And next, challenges in digital supply chain and demand. Challenges in digital supply chain and demand arise due to the complexity of technology, integration, and rapidly changing market needs. One of the main challenges is data security, as digital processes involve the exchange of sensitive information between many parties. In addition, integrating systems between companies, suppliers, and digital platforms is often difficult due to differences in technology and operational standards. Companies also face a shortage of human resources with digital skills, such as data analysis, AI, and automated system management. Another challenge in dependence on technology, where system disruption or cyber attack can halt the entire supply chain process. Furthermore, the initial investment costs for implementing technologies such as IoT, AI, or blockchain are quite high, so not all companies are ready to do. So, all these challenges need to be overcome in order for the digital supply chain to run optimally and be able to meet market demand efficiently. Okay everyone, and the next conclusion. In conclusion, supply and demand in digital business are two interrelated aspects that determine a company's operational success. Digitalization makes the supply chain process faster, more efficient, and data-driven, while demand management becomes more accurate through real-time analysis of customer behavior. By leveraging technologies such as AI, big data, IoT, and cloud computing, companies can better align supply with market demand, reduce costs, and enhance customer satisfaction. Despite challenges such as data security and system integration, the effective implementation of digital supply chain and demand management can provide a competitive edge and extend a company's ability to navigate the dynamic of the modern market. Okay everyone, this is the learning material that I can convey. I apologize if there are any mistakes in conveying the material. Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.